Good luck, everybody. Thank you for joining. One person is going to win this box. And the people that joined. One person. Run back of football. That is it. All I have is basketball Lex. Good luck. Bonus rate. Good luck, everybody. Yes, black is over here, dude. Oh, yeah. But I said part 1 right here, and then part 2 right here. No. It was just, it was the same price for these 5 boxes, Roogs. That's all it was. Same price for those 5 boxes. That's what it was. I have 5 boxes of black left. That would be all 32 teams, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta make sure, but I think it's all 32 teams for that price. And see, here's a short printed one. Here's our second short printed one. This is Ruben Randall out of 150. Oh, you know what? I have it way too far now this time. There we go. Ruben Randall out of 150. No, the price I have it at is at 31.25, which I believe is all teams in. That's the way we did them afterwards, I think. Let me lower the TV down. Is that better? Alright. Oh shit. What is that? Oh fuck. What is that? Oh jeez. Is this the one that pulls out that way or something? No, huh? Holy snap, jizz. Holy shit. There you go, Sam Davis. Is it the hinged one? How does it move? Is it 10 of 15? Multi-dimensional. You have received the Strata signature relic card of Andrew Luck from 2012 Top Strata. 10 of 15. Holy jizz. Oh jizz. Player 1 relic. Yeah, right? Because I can't move it or anything. Bye bye Baboni. You can't see the if I upload the videos right now, it will cause a lot more lag. A lot more lag than I'm already getting. That's Sam Davis 76. That's the only problem. Bye bye Baboni. You're Nick Smith, correct? I have all the videos saved onto my desktop. Once I'm done up, you know, that's the only thing is that it gives me a lot of lag if I upload at the same time. David Wilson, yeah, he wanted to see him on YouTube though. David Wilson die cut. Yeah, that's the only problem, man. I wish I learned that the first time I started doing it. The first time I started doing the breaks here at the new apartment, I started getting a lot of lag when I was uploading the videos. Downfall is stealing my neighbor's internet. Hey, man. You gotta find ways to cut corners, correct? Colts killing it so far, huh? I would guess so, man. I have one more. I could try to upload the football one right after this if you want to see it. You know, if you want to see it, I can upload the football after I'm done breaking these 5 boxes. We got an AJ Jenkins relic, 89 of 296 for the 49ers. Or upload between. There you go. I'll do what Edizzle said right there. Oops, please go over here with the rookie. I'll do right there what Edizzle said. No problem, dude. No problem. Like I said, it just the few times that I have uploaded as I'm doing the breaks, a lot of lag, a lot. But I will upload them just for you. Still looking for one more hit, even though we hit that under left. And it's right here. Yep, for the Colts, of course. For the Colts, of course, for the Colts. Dwayne Allen. Dwayne Allen for the Colts, not numbered. Right there. I gotta do this real quick. All right. Box 1, Strata. Box 2. I have no more crews in Canada. Good luck. Box 1 of, oh, we got an autograph right off the top for the Dolphins. This time it's for the Dolphins. B.J. Cunningham. Or it is for the Dolphins always. B.J. Cunningham, mirror red, out of 350 for the Dolphins. Jamal Lewis, mirror red Immortals for the Ravens, out of 250. We got gold for the Giants. 2 of 25. 2 of 25. Eli Manning for the Giants. Giants was a team that was bought. Bought by Bayonne. Very nice. Okay. No problemo. Luke Kuechly, out of 9.99 for the Panthers. I have 6 text messages just sitting there. We got a redemption for the Broncos. Fabric Mirror Emerald Prime Material Signatures, Ronnie Hillman. I know somebody's going to hate me right now because this came out of the second 2 boxes. Ronnie Hillman, Emerald Prime for the Broncos. Broncos is redzwest is best. Out of 5. Nice. Better than a damn Osweiler, he says. Mirror Red. Steve Smith for the Panthers. 2 out of 350. That's the shoe. Nice. And for the Chiefs, ooh, 2-color Butch. Chris Cooley, 3 of 10. Chris Cooley, 3 of 10 gold. The Redskins. It's pretty nice. Janoris Jenkins for the Rams at a $9.99. New generation. And a Doug Martin jumbo jersey. 5 hits? No, I don't think I'm counting 5 hits, right? And him and this one, that, and the autograph. 4 hits. For the Bucks, Dougie Martin, certified skills. I'm sorry. SoCal Dare, that's you? No, that was Street Monkey. Why did you say woohoo? Hackers. And Rams. Immortals, Bernie Kosar for the Browns. Jeez, what are our chances of pulling another one like that? Rick Turbin. That pack was out of nowhere too. It was just like, whoa, what the fuck was this? It's gonna start to get big. Well, not another one, but maybe just like, you know, another patch maybe. Not another one of those, maybe the patch version of the other ones. A Trent Richardson die cut. Trent Richardson die cut. I don't even want to know who had the Colts in the first half. Who had the Colts in the first half? Oh, that's the fat one right there. That's the fat one. This time I felt it. Base, rookies. Base, rookies. Pack searcher. Now you can, I mean, you can obviously tell which was a fat one here. I'm not searching packs. This should be a hit. Nope. Fooled myself, but this corner is all dinged up on that Bradshaw. Alright. We got a redemption for the Rams. Base rookie auto variation of Janoris Jenkins for the Rams. Rams on the board. SoCal Darren. Auto variation. I don't know what the variation means. Could be numbered. So So that's our first hit. Second one is right here, or third one is here. Yeah, you can't get better than those two colors for a Colts jersey, unfortunately. I don't think it'll go up in value. That's the thing. Autographed jersey? I don't know. I mean, if you look at it that way. Oh, thank you, little Josh. You're awesome. People really want to see your YouTube channel. That's sick. Let me start paying people. Got him. Still waiting for a jersey card. Regular jersey card. Oh, what the hell? Let's see what this is. I don't know what this is then. 2 of 65 for the Vikings. Jarius Wright. Sick. Sick. 2 of 65 for the Vikings. There you go. That's pretty sick. Yeah. Oh my god. Vikings is artyusmc. Not clown on the card. Not clown on the player, Artie. Just the card. Oh. No. It's not a live autograph. No way. It's a live autograph. Look at that. It's a live jumbo autograph of Joe Adams for the Panthers. Eddie 33716 with the Panthers. Very nice. Not numbered. Joe Adams. I'll clean up with the Rose Parade. Rose by me. Bucaneers. Levante David for the Buccaneers. So there. That's funny for the Bucks. Ooh, fabric of the game. Doug Martin. Come on, focus. There we go. Fabric of the game for the Bucks. Dougie Martin. Teach me how to Dougie. You need to teach me how to Dougie, DT. And Steve Largent, Immortals. Mirror Red for the Seahawks. Red PMG. I haven't said that word all night. PMG. Red PMG. There we go. We got another red PMG. This one's for the Bears. He was asking where his hits are. This is numbered 8 of 350. Shea McClellan. Shea McClellan for the Bears. He was asking me where his hits are. Oh no, that's not him. This team was traded. This is Edizzle with the Bears now. Not Roogs. Shouldn't trade. Ryan Lindley for the Cardinals at a $9.99 new generation. Gold! Mike Williams for the Buccaneers. 5 of 25, Mike Williams for the Buccaneers. Bucaneers is Street Monkey. Immortals, Bruce Matthews out of 9.99. Apparently you didn't see the Andrew Luck, right, Big Odin? Apparently you didn't see the Andrew Luck. And a mirror red for the Packers out of 250, BJ Coleman. Mirror red for the Cutlers. For the Bears. For the Cutlers. Jay Cutler for the Bears, not for the Cutlers. Wrong team there. That would be a tight team, though. Cutlers. All right, Chase. And for the Broncos, Tony Dorsett. I know he'll really be mad at me. Tony Dorsett for the Broncos. One color jersey. This is numbered 45 of 199. Chicago Cutlers, huh? And he's mad at me now. Wrong boxes of Commerce Casino. That's down the street. Oh man, this didn't have anything to seal it with. What the hell? It's loose. BPX. Oh, okay. Oh, really? I wasn't aware. Yes, they were. They were 7-1 for a long time. Ryan Broyles die cut for the Lions. Okay, doesn't want to focus on it. Wasn't their night. Wasn't their night. Rookies. Rookies. What's up, Jimmy Fan? Rookies. There's an Andrew Luck rookie. Oh, geez, look at that Andrew Luck rookie. Not that you need the Andrew Luck rookie card, but look at that corner right there. Ouch. Some of these cards have been coming out damaged. That one has a huge crease on it. Look at this. Look at that crease. Oh man, that was nothing, but look at that crease on the card. Oh, I know it's just a regular rookie card, but damn. You should have heard everything he was saying earlier, Jimmy Fan. You missed it. They don't listen, man. They don't listen. Trust me. I've tweeted tops. I've done everything. And clear cut auto relic rookie. I guess here's our This is why we didn't get a fat pack right there for the Ravens. And he was trying to sell the Ravens right there. Look. Clear-cut auto relic rookie. Bernard Pierce for the Ravens. Their second redemption out of this. I'm looking for a regular autograph and a relic card. Here's a Dwayne Allen out of 150 for the Colts. Dwayne Allen. Colts. All right. All right. Of course. This is like our fourth Dwayne Allen out of this product. Fourth Dwayne Allen out of this product, I believe. Or we pulled Allen and Kobe Fleener. And now we're just looking for a relic card. And of course, why not? Kobe Fleener for the Colts. 80 of 99. Jersey number. Look at that. Jersey number for the Colts. 80 of 99. Your eBay 101. And done with the first 5 boxes. All right, back with the black football.